Here's the dishwasher. I'm going down to the front of the dishwasher. Here's where the water comes in at. And then if you look around here on the other side, you can see the other side where the water comes in at. See, there's where the light's really, see the silver thing on the right? It's where the water's coming in. That I know. You have the little pipe and the big pipe. Here's a thing back here. No idea what that is. And then back in the back, you can see where the big pipe is going. As long as I don't actually hit the off button, you can see where that's going. And that's as exciting as it gets. And I'm on the side of the dishwasher.